This is a coronal section of lung with cavitary tuberculosis, a disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Inhaled bacilli implant in the distal air spaces of the upper lobes, or upper part of the lower lobes, close to the pleura. The initial lesion is usually a sharply circumscribed, firm, white-gray focus of consolidation with caseous necrosis and peripheral fibrosis. Over time, this can progress to form an irregular cavity that is poorly walled off by fibrous tissue, as you can see here. Microscopically, both caseating and non-caseating granulomas can be seen. Th1 CD4 positive T cells play a critical role in cell-mediated immunity against mycobacteria. HIV seropositivity is a risk factor for development or reactivation of tuberculosis.